Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tierra and I am a first-time home buyer, and I really do appreciate you coming on this journey with me. If you have not already taken a look at my previous videos, I showed you a beautiful new construction D.R. Horton home as well as a KM Homes townhome. And basically I'm trying to compare these homes and figure out what's going to be the best first-time home for me and my family, as well as how am I going to get the best deal, where I'm going to get the better perks. So if you're interested in this content, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button because I have more valuable videos coming to you. So this video, I'm going to compare those two homes, and mainly because I'm really trying to make a decision and I need some help. And I will say it is going to be, by the time I'm done comparing and contrasting these two homes, it's going to be very obvious of which deal I should take. But at the same time, I feel so attached to both that I am definitely going to be debating all the way up until I sign those papers. Okay, so now with the D.R. Horton home, we have 2,100 square feet. And then with the townhome, we have 1,900 square feet. So I'm not really losing too much space. But I will say the D.R. Horton home feels a lot bigger. Even though it's only 2 stories, it feels a lot bigger, you know, mainly because it has a 2-car garage and it's a single family home, so it's not attached to anybody. And the neighborhood itself has more space. And that is really important to me because my mother lived in a house for a long time, and the parking can really get in the way if you're in a neighborhood for a long time. And you know, the HOA, sometimes they will control the parking and it can get really annoying. So I did keep that in mind. The D.R. Horton has 5 bedrooms. The KM townhome has 4 bedrooms. We have 3 baths with D.R. Horton. We have 1 downstairs and 2 upstairs, and then with the townhome we have a bathroom on the 1st floor, 1 on the 2nd floor, and then 2 on the 3rd floor. So we have more bathrooms in the townhome. They both have an open floor plan with a beautiful kitchen with the granite countertops, just like I like. And the townhome has a balcony, but the single family home does not. They both have a pool. The townhome has a pool with a cabana, but the single family home has a playground for my son, and but the townhome does not. And I would say the HOA fees are about the same in price. Now let's get a little bit more into depth about the seller contributions. So if you're going to buy a home with the D.R. Horton and use their preferred lenders, I would say it's not really competitive. They're giving you $3,500 from you by using their preferred lender, versus KM Homes. If you use their preferred lender, they will give you $7,000. That's double. I mean, it's almost a no-brainer. You get more money with a townhome. And so the single family home is zoned in South Fulton versus the townhome is zoned in Atlanta. There are more incentives for your home to be zoned in Atlanta because there is a first-time buyers down payment assistance program that will give you $20,000 towards your home. So essentially, if I choose the townhome, I will get $27,000 towards the house, and they don't want you to put more than $1,500 towards the purchase of the house. So I would be coming out of pocket with basically nothing, $1,500. And because the $7,000 will cover my down payment, and the $20,000 will cover all of the closing fees. So right there, we can already see where the no-brainer is. And I will say, D.R. Horton, I would have to pay 3.5% down. The $3,500 probably wouldn't cover much because there are more closing costs involved, as we all know. And there are also other little perks with getting the townhome that I wouldn't get with the single family home, which is, at first before COVID, they were providing you with the refrigerator. But now, because of the shortage, the D.R. Horton said they may not even give you a refrigerator. KM Homes, they will give me the refrigerator. And I think for like $300, I could upgrade my refrigerator if I want to. They give me the blinds, and it's the really good ones, the ones that you can just push up without the string, and you can just pull them down. The washer and dryer. So imagine coming into your new home, you already have the refrigerator, the washer and dryer. You may have some furniture already, or you may just need to spice up a few pieces. You're literally coming in. For me, I will be coming into a brand new townhome with all my money still in my bank account. I mean, really. So, although I really love the space and the design and the neighborhood and everything about the D.R. Horton, it's like pretty much more than what I would have thought to have in my first home. It just seems like from a financial perspective, it makes more sense to go with the townhome, because mind you, it's my first home. I don't plan to be there forever. Eventually I'm going to rent it out anyway. So I'm not saying I made my decision, but I almost basically made my decision. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And then also in the future video, I will go into more in-depth details about the AHA program, which is the down payment assistance program. And I will also go into more details about the Georgia Dream program, because they will give you $5,000 towards your closing costs as well. But I was told I wasn't qualified for the Georgia Dream program. And then if there's any other programs that I can give you some information about, I will include those as well. All right, I'll see you in the next video.